Did you know Reliance Retail sales surpassed the combined sales of India's top 7 consumer companies? Let's try to understand the magnitude of how big Reliance Retail really is. The combined might of ITC, Hindustan Unilever, DMart, Nestle, Britannia, Tata Consumer and Godrej Consumer falls short in comparison. When we talk about listed retail companies, Reliance Retail is more than 6 times the size of DMart. While DMart reported a sales of almost 49,000 crores in FY24, Reliance Retail sales soared to an impressive 300,000 crores. And all of this when Reliance Retail isn't even listed. But a report by Jefferies roughly valued Reliance Retail at $112 billion. If it had been listed, it would have ranked among the top 4 companies in India and top 10 retailers globally. Their exponential growth can be attributed to strategic acquisitions and deep penetrations into smaller towns where other retailers haven't even ventured. At present, Reliance Retail has over 18,000 stores across the country. In contrast, DMart only has 365 stores. Clearly, Reliance Retail is winning this round. The company also boasts a strong online presence and significant e-commerce revenues, setting it up to become a retail aggregator. Even though the online business currently reports losses, Reliance Retail's rapid growth paves the way for future profitability. Now, Reliance Retail is setting its sight on the sports retail market, with plans to launch a new brand similar to Decathlon, leasing 8,000 to 10,000 square feet spaces in prime locations across major cities. This move targets the booming athleisure market, competing with established players like Decathlon, Puma, Skechers, Adidas, and Asics. Reliance Retail aims to capture the growing demand for sports and athleisure products. How do you think Reliance Retail expansion into the sports retail market will impact the competition? Share your thoughts in the comments below.